Now pulled up to Hotel Monreale Express. Welcome to Orlando, Florida.
Look, there's lightning. What's our room number?
To the right. You right, Lily? Woo! 4, 3, 4. Made it. What can we see? We can see the volcano.
Okay, can I open the room? Okay, ready?
Welcome to Aircon.
Welcome to our room.
Woo! Where's the light?
Why is there only 2 beds?
This is 4 of us. They're big beds though.
Oh. Because Daddy's bigger and yours is
Right, can you wheel the pram in?
No, I'm sharing with Mum. No, because
We shall see.
how about this? Me and there was a little twins. Me and us together.
Is that comfy, Lace? Should we do a room tour before we make a mess?
Yes.
Make a mess.
Shall I knock on the door? And you
Yeah.
show me around?
Oh, no, take our shoes off.
Volcano Bay. Welcome to room 434.
Welcome to our room tour. Hello.
Oh, hello.
So, first, me and Dad's bed. Me and Dad's bed.
First of all, this is Hotel Monreale Express.
So, can I
Right, what else we got then?
Air conditioning,
Yeah, and come here.
2 massive beds.
Come here.
They are huge.
Come here, guys. There is a bathroom shower.
A bathroom shower.
And a bin. And a mini fridge.
So,
a safe,
desk.
a microwave. And safe. We're taking.
Show us the
Oh,
fridge.
don't lock it.
We can keep our stuff in here.
What's in the fridge? Anything?
No.
Has it got lots of space?
Yeah.
A little bit.
And we've got a microwave.
Nice big TV as
I
well.
want to put some secrets here. Got some little snack drawers. And then we can like go. And then we've got some.
Yeah, but don't set it, babe. Oh, we won't be able to
Then we
get
got some washing
Nice
knives,
They're for our
luggage.
suitcases.
suitcases, TV, remote, even that. And then we've got all of our secrets in that. And big light switches. And a toilet. Sarah! We got an iron.
Oh, excellent.
And a toilet. Sarah bathroom. Don't tell me here. We got a toilet. Bathroom with a curtain.
We have an
body and hair wash and conditioner. And then we got some guys, you're gonna like guys, you're gonna open that beautiful clean sink,
Clean sink.
a toilet roll, towels.
So we've got an iron, but no ironing board.
It's handy.
Not really.
That's sarcasm.
No.
And we've got another bin, and then we've got.
Oh, where's Lace gone?
Oh, so we got one towel. We've got a toilet. Okay, Lacey's a new towel.
Nice though.
No, there's a towel in there.
Oh, a quick look in here.
Should we do a plug check? How many plugs have we got?
Oh, you know.
So let her be here.
Any in the bedroom?
Running away, we need to shut the door.
Yeah, you need the door, Lace.
Okay. Okay, we've got 2 plugs here, 1 USB.
2 plugs there, 1 USB.
And 2 plugs here, another USB. So 2 USBs, 4 plugs. No. Ah. I think we've got 10 in the bathroom. So
Is that a lot?
6. Wait, 6.
Very spacious though.
Yeah, big bed.
Big bed.
haven't got the beds.
They're like king size.
Watch.
But the best is if you ask and they have availability, you can get a Volcano Bay view. I don't know if they set up the lightning. There's no thunder. But if you ask them, they might be able to set you up. Double check them?
Yeah, just double check.
What am I double checking?
Oh no, just look at the next one. You won't install.
Oh, scared me. What am I double checking?
Yeah, it's a prank.
Oh, you
She was
pranksters.
supposed to scare you, but then she scared you too early.
Yeah. They are. They've got small pillows as well, aren't they?
I'm gonna do a circle on our bed. I'm gonna do a circle on the bed.
It's hardly there. Okay.
Luggage.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I do subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys. Bye guys.